G'day folks, Ben from Snowies. Today showing you the Oztrail Handy High Chair.
Hit it.
This chair's got a removable plastic table, 5-point harness and locking mechanism so your little one can eat safely in the campsite no matter where you set up. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this is how the Handy High Chair comes when you buy it. This handy sort of flash little bag here, quite durable fabrics. It's got a carry handle on the back here so it's easy to transport around. Weighs 3.3 kilos, measures 84 centimeters in length, and it's about 15 to 16 centimeters in width and depth. Taking it out's really easy. You've got a zip that runs along the side and across most of the top there. Lay it down on its back. You've got a little bit of extra room in there if you want to store extra gear in. Table is a separate item, so we'll put that aside. You do also get an instruction manual here that fell out before. And then take the chair out, and it sets up largely like any quad fold chair would, but you do have a little locking mechanism here. So you start to spread this out, spreads like a regular chair would. I'm going to spin it around there because I want to show you this locking mechanism on the back here. It requires a little bit of muscle just to push this into place because you want to get this to lock into that hole there. So stretch it out as far as you can, and then you just want to put a little bit of downward pressure here until that locks into place there. That then secures this frame. It can't accidentally collapse up while your little one is in there. Flip it around this way, and I'll grab the table, and looking underneath the table, you've got these latches on each side here to lock it into place. And you need to stretch these arms out to fit in here. So lock one side in first, and then a bit of pressure over here just to get that into place, push it down, and the table locks on there. So the little one can't lift that off of there very easily now. One last thing to do for setup, because you've kind of got this slack in the side here, you've got these tabs here, just do that up around the strap at the back here, just to keep these arms nice and firm. Flip it around again, and on the other side, and that's the high chair all set up. A little bit of a run around of the features of the chair. Firstly on the front here, just as you'd expect, nice sturdy frame. We'll touch on fabrics actually before we go any further. It's a durable polyester fabric. You've got a steel frame here, vertical uprights on the sides here for extra stability, so it is a really sturdy frame. Flexible plastic table on the top here, and then you've got nylon webbing inside here for security as well. Back to the tour around the chair front, as you see it there, not much to see on the front and the sides, just as you would expect. On the back, not much to see there either. You've got that little locking mechanism here. The main thing you're probably interested in as a child seat is the harness, which is inside here. So this is a 5-point harness, secured at the bottom here with a little padded section to go over the top or through your little one's legs, and then clips on the side. So these are just side release buckles, releases out this way and this way, so your little one's arms can go through here. It's adjustable at the top and at the base here, so you've got adjustable tri-glide buckles at the top and base. Arm goes through here, this goes over the top of the shoulder, and then that secures into this buckle here. So your little one can sit secure inside this chair. They're not going to fall out of the harness, and the chair or the frame sort of tapers out of the base here, so it's nice and sturdy. So if your little one's kicking around a lot, they're not going to bowl or tip the chair over. So nice compact chair that your little one can sit in comfortably and safely in the campsite. Now I'll pack it away for you as well, because pack up's pretty important when you've got kids. You don't want things to be difficult. Taking this off is nice and easy. We just push those latches in there, lift it up off of the front spikes there. And then we want to spin it around and release firstly the straps at the top here, and then our little locking mechanism down here. So we just pull this out and the frame will start to slide back up again. Once you've got this free of a little hole there, you just squash all this together like so. Tuck the fabric in a little bit if you can inside the confines of the frame. Grab your bag, tuck your feet down in the base of the bag. Probably easiest to lay this section on the bottom because it's easier to tuck that in first, and then you've got a bit of space left on top to be able to get the tabletop in, which fits in down the side here. Then zip it up, and that's your Handy High Chair all packed up. That is the Oztrail Handy High Chair. Really useful chair. If you've got a little one and you don't want to miss out on camping, you can take and put them in this chair. They're going to sit comfortably while they're enjoying the outdoors, eating some campfire cooked food, and they're going to stay secure inside this chair. Check it out online at snowies.com.au.
Name was Kari, and it sucks that we didn't keep in touch. I'm sorry, but Hey Kim, how's Minneapolis? You so pretty, hate you show off your titties, facility classes.